Hi guys, Ton here from Tigerlink. Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to show you how easy it is to pair the remote to the Grifco and the Merlin gate motor. The two new motors in our range. The Grifco is made for 1-ton gate, so more of the commercial gate application, and Merlin is rated for 600 kilo gate, more for residential use. And they are perfect, especially if you already have the Merlin garage door, because you can use the same remote to operate both the sliding gate motor and the garage door, so you only have to carry one. To pair a remote to a Merlin or a Grifco sliding gate motor, it is very easy. As you can see, there are 4 buttons, SP, plus and minus button on the control board. To get into pairing mode, you just have to press S, so the yellow button here, and then you can see the transmitter learn mode. Just press the button you want to use on the remote, transmitter learned, and that's it for the trigger mode. To get into pedestrian mode pairing, press and hold S and plus buttons together. You see learn mode bracket pet. Then grab your remote control and press the other buttons that aren't used. So in this case I'll press the bottom one and the remote is paired. If you're interested in any of the products you see, feel free to come down to our Preston showroom and chat with our lovely sales team. Or if you are interstate and not in Victoria, you can visit us online at tigerlink.com.au. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.